Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy here, Kenzie Craig Michaels, delivering the best in the beauty industry, everything that's absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and beautiful. That's right, absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and beautiful. And today is no exception. So if you're a new subscriber, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for future notifications, and make sure that you stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I truly appreciate you watching my videos on a regular basis. So if you are a new subscriber, make sure that you leave in my comment section a little purple heart, and we're all on this journey together on YouTube, and we're all trying to hit our goals and achieve success. So just leave a little purple comment in my section of comments, and I will make sure that I connect to you on a personal level. So in the fight against mascaras, this is actually part 4 of the 5-part series. That's right, part 4 of the 5-part series. If you guys have not checked out the other 3-part series on how to choose the right mascara that's right for your lashes, and basically it's the war against mascaras in the luxury industry, please make sure that you check out those videos. I will post a link for those for you guys to see as well. And today we're going to be featuring not only 2 mascaras that are fighting against each other, but they're 2 mascaras with a rubber wand on them. And when I say rubber wand, I'm referring to a rubber wand that's not a natural bristle wand, as what I've been using in comparing for the last 3 channel episodes. So you don't want to miss out on this. So I'm going to begin. I have applied already my skincare using my cleanser, my toner, my eye cream, my Advanced Genifique eye cream. I also use the Pixie Glow tonic, which, as you know, is a stellar product. I then actually just applied my Visionaire pore correcting, age correcting, multiple signs of aging repair serum, and I had applied afterwards just my tint from La Mer Skincare. So that's all I have on my skin. On my lips, I actually have 001 and the Dior Addict, which is a hydrating moisturizer, and it's super hydrating. And this is what it looks like here, and it basically adjusts to the color of your skin on your lips. So if you ever need hydration, this is a perfect product for you guys to purchase. So I'm gonna actually have to put my glasses on before we actually go ahead and do the application of the mascara. So today we are featuring, and I'm featuring, the Bad Gal Bang. That's right, the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit Cosmetics, going up against the Smashbox Fanned Out mascara. That's right, the Smashbox Fanned Out mascara. So I'm reading both of these to you guys so you can understand. So the Benefit Bad Gal mascara promotes 90% of dramatic volume, 94% says it actually instantly lifts, and 92% of the people that actually have tried it said it lengthens their lashes. Now, I don't know about this claim, but it says it has aero particles from space in it. That's right, air particles from space. One of the lightest known materials derived from space technology, and I don't really know what that actually means because it doesn't explain it. I'm assuming that it gives full blast volume, which it says it does. Now this one here states from Benefit Cosmetics that it's a 36-hour hold mascara. Why do you need your mascara on for 36 hours? Whereas the Super Fanned Out mascara from Smashbox Cosmetics produces a 12-hour hold. Now this one says that people saw a 94% look, no clumping, no smudging, and no flaking, lots of separation, and a fanned out lash effect. Also, it says it has a precision wand on it, giving you a 360-degree application technique on the lash line and getting in right to those small corners of the lashes. All right, so let's have a look. I'm taking off my glasses now and applying these, one to the left eye and one to the right eye. We're going to be starting with the Benefit Bad Gal Lash. Now let's see what this product looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of in a cool tube, kind of has a cool top on it, it's all riveted. We're going to apply that to this eye first, and this is the one that promises 36-hour hold, and also it promises that it has particles in it from outer space. So I'm not sure about that, if that claim is actually true. So I'm gonna have to Google that and look that up. So we're applying, and I wanna see how this actually feels on the lash. Okay, let's see, guys. So like I said, if you haven't checked out my other series, please check out those other 3 because they were actually used with a natural brush. Okay, so we are actually getting a very silky texture as I'm actually using this. So it actually is giving me what it actually says, and it's actually coating, lifting, and firming. Well, not firming, but it's lifting really from the coating from the bottom of the lash right up to the lash tips. Can you guys see that? I want to make sure that you guys can see my eyelashes. I think in one of my videos, I might have been too far away. So this is actually the Benefit Bad Gal. And I want your guys' opinion on this because we have a free contest going on. So my contest that's going on for the month of April, which is a free giveaway for Canada and the US, is a free full-size mascara. And all you guys need to do is leave in the comment section what your favorite brand of mascara is and why. It's simple. And then I'm going to draw out of a hat, and whoever name comes out, I'm going to ship them the full-size mascara off their choice from Sephora. So if you guys know what you love from Sephora, that would be the perfect chance to leave in my comment section what mascara you love. So 36-hour hold. I don't know why anybody would want 36-hour hold. Maybe perhaps if you're a bride and you're on the go and you have your mascara on for at least 12 hours, and then you're actually going out at nighttime after the party ends, and then in the daytime the next day for your breakfast, you decide that you just don't want to reapply mascara. I could see that as well, but that's not going to be 36 hours. So, and you really should be washing your face and cleansing your face prior to that. So with the wand, guys, this is what the wand looks like. It's basically a cone-shaped wand. It has fine bristles. Can you guys see that? The fine bristles there. I hope you guys can see that. So it's going on and it's nice and silky and smooth. So I don't have any complaints about that right now. Now let's open the fan out one, the 12-hour one from Smashbox Cosmetics, which is a little more realistic, 12 hours as opposed to 36 hours. So it comes in this packaging here, which is red, and Smashbox is known for their red, handled makeup brushes and some of their other products. So this one here is very similar. However, it's a smaller brush wand. It's more cylindrical in its, what it actually looks like when it comes out of the mascara tube. So we're going to apply that and see exactly what happens onto this lash. Okay, so this one, guys, is gripping more. There is more grip to the Smashbox one than there actually is to the Benefit Bang. So can you guys see as this is being applied onto my lashes? And this one here promises that you can actually do multiple coats. So you can keep layering and layering until you actually achieve the look that you want to achieve. So with me, I've just really kind of just applied it, and I'm going to keep layering it because I'm assuming with 36-hour hold, I don't know, there must be some weird ingredient in it because I've never heard tell of a mascara that's actually 36-hour hold before. 12 hours seems realistic, like I said. 24 hours, maybe realistic. 16, 18 hours, definitely realistic. But 36 hours, definitely not. So we're applying that. And actually, okay, so wiggling it up into the tips of your lashes and going back and forth, what I'm noticing is the brush is easier to apply, the mascara, than the Big Bang one. The length of the brush wand is actually smaller, so it's easier to control. So if you guys haven't entered the contest yet, please do so. I mean, it's so simple to enter the free contest, and you can win a free full-size mascara of your choice. So simple. And yes, this mascara says true to its name. It does lift. It does get in right into the inner corners of the lashes, and I can see a difference with this. Now, like I said, I have more lashes on one side, which is this one here, than on my opposite side. So I always have to double coat and triple coat on this side to give almost the same effect on this one. Same with your brows. They're sisters, they're not twins. So what do you guys think? So for me right now, I'm leaning towards, for deposit and color and lift, that's only because there's more lashes on this side, the Big Bang from Benefit Cosmetics, which is this mascara here. So we have Big Bang mascara from Benefit, and then we have the Smashbox Fanned Out mascara from Smashbox Cosmetics. Now this one I like the wand better on, this one I don't. However, I feel like my eyes are more open with this one, but at the same time I feel that I have more control with the wand on this one. So in the war against mascaras, I haven't decided if between these two mascaras, which one I prefer or which one I don't prefer. So I'm counting on you guys to make sure that you guys tell me which eye looks better, which lash line looks better. This one here with the Benefit Cosmetics on, or this one here with the Smashbox on. Now I suppose too, if you're going out, you know, you would want something to lift the lashes more, so this gives a little bit more lift as opposed to this. However, if you're applying false lashes on top, it doesn't really matter really what mascara that you use, unless you're actually doing a bridal makeover party, and then you would actually use waterproof mascara. Always, always use waterproof mascara, especially if you're doing brides as a professional makeup artist. So that's it, guys. So besides that, just make sure that you catch the April contest for the full-size mascara. I'm your boy, Kenzie Craig Michaels in the beauty industry. Thank you so much for watching. Kisses and oh my God, kisses and hugs. Yes, I don't know what I was about to say there. Kisses and hugs from Kenzie Craig Michaels, and thank you. Against the War About Mascaras, part 5 will be coming up soon, where it will be a waterproof mascara versus another mascara, and I also have a special mascara to showcase to you guys, which is absolutely fantastic for the bottom lash line. Cheers, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Love.